Freunde, das gibt's doch nicht. Jo, was klar, meine lieben Freunde, willkommen zurück zu einem neuen Video auf diesem Kanal. Was geht, was geht, was geht? Ich bin heute wieder mal mit meiner guten alten SIMSON unterwegs und wir schauen einfach mal, was passiert. Freunde, lasst mal direkt ein Like und ein Abo da, wenn ihr das noch nicht getan habt. Wir sehen einfach, Freunde, was heute so abgeht auf der Street. Würde ich einfach mal sagen, let's go!
Let me see you put 'em up. Reach the skies, touch the stars up above. Cause it's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on your team, even if that ain't what it seems. It's one time for the underdog. It's one time for the young nigga with a dollar and a dream, and these Nikes on my feet, trying to stay about the streets. So I'm rhyming, pulling 187s all on these beats, instead of on the concrete, submitting my future while they were focused on what they cheap. But shit, I'm like a cheap head honcho. Tell me that it's impossible, I give it to you pronto. Been working all these late nights and these early mornings like Alonzo. So one day they'll be calling me great, just call me Gonzo. But I'm never acting, nor is anybody pulling strings. Everything I have came from sacrificing everything. I traded working 9 to 5 for the minimum, for working non-stop, so my life be like a cinema screen. But in the end, I wouldn't have it any other way. Got on my knees and for this rap to work is what I prayed. And that was happening, crunching numbers like Captain, a serial killer, compelling listeners with this passion for word. Never acting my verbs, but truly passion to serve. Not only masses, but curves, not just the hood, but the birds. Know you hear it every time I grace the mic. Then I give it to God, feeling blinded by the lights in His song. Let me see you put 'em up. Reach the skies, touch the stars up above. Cause it's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on your team, even if that ain't what it seems. It's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. 20-year-old dreaming of whipping Monte Carlos and gold jewelry, looking like I came from El Dorado. Pick up the pen and pad, instead of spitting gin and badge, I'm painting pictures with my words. Just call me Young Picasso. These haters only gas me up and then I mash the throttle. Being strickers think it's safe to say should drop the bottle. Cause what I'm spitting is proof, and truth is hard to swallow. When rappers losing their heads, that's word to Sleepy Hollow. Nowadays they tryna flex, Johnny Bravo, and I be Rocky in his second fight against Apollo. Underdog, but you see I won the war. Asking me if I could spit is asking me to raise the bar. I've been in this place before, matter of fact most of my life. They told me that I would fail, die before I prove them right. Pinning verses on my lunch bag, now I'm doing shows. Lady Luck blew me a kiss, now I'm a prince, never a toe. Bitch your bottom, I'm the greatest, that's on everything I own. And though it isn't much, I want the world like Al Capone. I'm coming for the glory, it's a sermon to the masses. The kid you shitted on is telling you to wipe his ass. Let me see you put 'em up. Reach the skies, touch the stars up above. Cause it's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on your team, even if that ain't what it seems. It's one time for the underdog. One time.
Where the booze be, I need a brewski, something that soothes me. Little bit of liquid to kick harder than Bruce Lee's. Loosely, too free, so I grab a loose leaf. Everyone's like, who's he? Guess I'll give a news brief. The name's Feral, bitch, I think it's time you recognize I'm the type of person that'll eat all of your extra fries. Hungry, but I exercise, getting big, I'm next to rise. Yeah, seems I just got up on this elevator. Now all the previous haters are asking me for the favors, but I leave them at the bottom, headed for the top floor. But before I make it there, I got a lot more. When I get there, I'll be careful for those locked floors, cause the janitor's the one with keys to lock doors. I am careful where I step, I don't burn bridges, cause I've learned in this that you gotta earn riches. I don't care about you, I don't care about you, so why you care about me? Why you care about me? I don't care what you do, I don't care what you do, still chasing my dream, still chasing my dream. I don't care about you, I don't care about you, so why you care about me? Why you care about me? I don't care what you do, I don't care what you do, still chasing my dream. Only dreams are what I'm chasing. It seems that what I'm facing is a scheme that only green is what is seen from expectations. What I need some best creations. There are no limitations, only limits on the minutes. Cotton Daniel vacation. My vacation's in my basement. Now never take a day off, cause everybody knows it when you put in work it pays off. The trade-off is those who think it's coming at a day's cost. It's gonna be some years before you even start to take off. Breaks off, this rap shit is a game and it's the playoffs. Don't play soft, I gotta slide at every beat like Adolf Hitler. Heading for the clouds and I'm a twister, heating up like a transistor, about to pop off like a blister. Yeah, it's almost impossible to stand the odds against me. I won't stand on, all I do is write my plans out so that they'll not understand how I can reach my goals, expand out, then I slowly gain exposure and I'll make them awesome fans now. I don't care about you, I don't care about you, so why you care about me, why you care about me? I don't care what you do, I don't care what you do, still chasing my dreams, still chasing my dreams. I don't care about you, I don't care about you, so why you care about me, why you care about me? I don't care what you do, I don't care what you do, still chasing my dreams.
You really never gonna know how I be on the floor. Yeah, you're never gonna know. I'm living life right now. I've been living on a hot life, living in my dreams. 40 all night, never any time to sleep. Put your cups up in the air if you're feeling it. Pour another round up, boy, I be living it up now. Taking it down, the crowd going wild every time I come around.
Was war denn das? Mein Tankdeckel ist abgeflogen. Das gibt's doch nicht, Freunde. Ach, Mann, ey. Digga, zweites Video. Zweites Mal baller ich mit der Kiste herum. Zweites Mal fliegt irgendwas ab. Freunde, das gibt's doch nicht. Digga, ich habe das Ding eigentlich fest drauf gemacht. Aber anscheinend doch nicht fest. Weil sonst würde sich das Ding ja nicht lösen, oder? Schreibt auf jeden Fall unten in die Kommentare, Freunde. So, Digga. Wo ist jetzt der Tankdeckel? Der ist irgendwo hier doch gerade eben abgesprungen. Ich dachte mir schon, irgendwas ist da abgeflogen. Das war der Tankdeckel. Och nö. Aber irgendwie läuft die Kiste nicht so, wie ich möchte. Freunde, vielleicht liegt es daran, dass ich keinen Spritfilter drin habe. Keine Ahnung. Also auf jeden Fall bin ich hier gerade eben drüber gefahren. Auf einmal macht Batz. Digga, den muss ich jetzt finden, ne? Digga, das kann doch nicht wahr sein. Hä? Freunde, seht ihr den? Digga, der hat noch so eine Farbe, den findest du jetzt hier auf Anhieb nicht, ne? Joa. Digga, wie unprofessionelle, und ich will Motovlog machen, Digga. Ich kann nicht mal irgendeinen scheiß Tankdeckel richtig befestigen. Digga, ich suche halt auch im Helm, ne, wo ich halt nicht viel sehen kann. Freunde, wie wir sehen, mein Tankdeckel ist abgeflogen. Der muss irgendwo hier sein. Ich finde ihn einfach ums Verrecken nicht. Freunde, wenn euch dieses Video mal wieder gefallen hat, lasst mich doch gerne wissen mit einem Like, mit einem Abo, mit einem Kommentar und mit der Glocke. Freunde, wir sehen uns in den nächsten Videos und da hoffentlich mit einem neuen Tankdeckel. Let's go!